I went from $0 to $1,500 in exactly 7 days, and I didn't send a single manual DM or hop on one sales call. How? I built a 24/7 AI sales bot that handles lead qualification, objection handling, and closing while I sleep. If you're tired of the manual grind and want to see how high-level automation is changing the game for small creators, you need to watch this. Are you ready to stop working for your money and let AI do the heavy lifting? Welcome back to AI Income Lab. Today, we're breaking down the exact blueprint I used to build a fully automated sales machine. We're covering everything from setting up your AI-powered landing page to training your bot to speak your brand's voice. I've tested dozens of tools, but only a few actually move the needle for your bank account. I'll show you exactly how to integrate these platforms to create a seamless funnel. Stick around until the end, because I'm sharing the secret trigger that actually converts passive traffic into active buyers. First, you need a home base. You can't build a sales bot without a high-converting website. I use Hosting Your AI Website Builder because it literally creates a professional, SEO-optimized site in under 5 minutes. You don't need to be a coder, you just answer a few questions about your niche, and the AI designs the layout. Once your site is live, this becomes the landing spot for all your traffic. It costs pennies compared to hiring a developer and is the foundation for every dollar I've made this week. Get your hosting sorted through the link in the description to start your professional build today. Next, your sales bot is only as good as the words it uses. You need persuasive, high-conversion copy. I use Copy.ai for quick lead magnets and Writesonic for long-form content that keeps prospects engaged. These tools allow you to generate email sequences and bot scripts that sound human, not robotic. By plugging these scripts into your chatbot, you ensure that every visitor gets a personalized response that guides them toward the checkout button. The secret here is to focus on the customer's pain points. When your bot addresses their specific problem immediately, your conversion rate skyrockets. This is how I hit that $1,500 mark so quickly. Now, let's talk about the brain of the operation. I used Jasper AI to refine my sales messaging. Jasper is the industry standard for a reason. It understands brand voice better than anything else. By using Jasper to tweak my chatbot's personality, I've seen a 40% increase in lead response rates. You can start on the free plan or grab the professional version, which I highly recommend because of the massive time savings. Jasper acts as your 24/7 copywriter, ensuring your bot never has an off day. It's an investment that pays for itself in the first sale. Check the link below to get set up with Jasper today. Finally, you need to grab attention visually. Canva Pro is my go-to for creating professional banners, ads, and social media assets that drive traffic to my bot. People judge your credibility within 3 seconds of landing on your site. If your images look cheap, they leave. With Canva Pro's Magic Studio, I generate custom graphics that look like I spent thousands on a designer. This visual trust is the bridge between a maybe and a yes. When you combine high-quality visuals with your AI-driven site, you've built a professional funnel that works while you sleep, allowing you to scale your income without adding more hours to your day. Here is the secret sauce: most people set up a bot and forget it. The real winners use a feedback loop. Every 48 hours, I export my bot's chat logs and feed them back into Jasper AI to analyze why someone didn't buy. I then adjust the script based on those objections. This continuous optimization is why my sales went from $0 to $1,500 in a week. Your bot should get smarter every single day it runs. Stop treating your automation as a static tool and start treating it as a growing employee. That is your unfair advantage. You've got the blueprint, you've got the tools, and you know the strategy. Now you just need to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time, just build the bot. All the tools I mentioned, Hostinger, Jasper, and the rest, are linked in the description below to help you get started immediately. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Income Lab, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next automation guide. See you in the next video.